along with my co-host, Manshika, are your host, and Do Pyare Dost. We welcome Sandeep board members, college administration, and the beautiful ladies of Batch 2024 to the fresher party, Agman 2024. On the theme, Power of Togetherness, New Beginnings, Shared Dreams.
Before we embark on this incredible journey of fun, laughter, and unforgettable memories, let's start with the blessings of the divine and set the tone of prosperity and success. Together we take our first steps on this unforgettable journey, hand in hand, knowing that as we build our futures, each of us will shine brighter because we shine together.
So fresher, we have an exciting evening in the store for you. With the talented students of Sandeep Women's College, Varuna, who are about to set the stage on fire and spread the magic of music.
Music is powerful. Whoa. So sit back and relax and get ready to be transported in another world through the magic of music. And thus, put your hands together to welcome the college orchestra, Talent the Sensation. all of us, and we are truly grateful for her unwavering support. I request ma'am to address the new batch with her blessing words.
So good afternoon and Jai Hind, almost coming to evening. And I think after such a mesmerizing performance of the orchestra of the college and an all-girls orchestra, I'm actually dumbfounded. I do not know what to say. I think they deserve a very, very big round of applause, including the mentors, Minister ma'am, the music teacher, all the other mentors that I can see on the flute or on the tabla, and of course, Shalini ma'am and Rajiv sir for the vision of having such a beautiful orchestra. It's like a dream come true. Thank you so much, Shalini, and the really happy. So this was just a glimpse of what Sunday Women College Varuna is all about. It is about the right kind of things happening inside the classes. It is also about the right kind of things happening outside the classes. And I think as you keep maturing, you keep moving to higher classes, there's so much more that happens and should happen outside the classes that it makes you into a complete personality. So if we look at the complete trajectory of school to higher education, till about class 4-5 skills are built, after which these skills are further honed till about middle school. 9, 10, 11, 12, and then again higher education. It's the time for applications of all that you have learned. Sunday Women's College will be a place where all that you have learned in the different schools that you come from, where you wanted that your talent should be visible, and I think also appreciated, right? You have so much in you that you want to come to the right place where people recognize that you're great debaters, you're great quizzers, you're great at music, you're great at dancing and so many other things. Even a nukkad natak, whatever. This is the place where talent will not only be spotted, it will be born, it will be appreciated. And I'm so happy again to see that Women's College Varuna has started traveling, and I just keep telling you, travel, come on, go find out which are the best fests in the country. Go there. Because we can't be in a cocoon. We cannot be in a frog's well and think we are the best. Because there's a world beyond. We are great, we are good, but there's so much more the world has to offer. This is the place, dear children, dear young ladies who just joined the college as freshers. You will find that in 3 years, all that you ever dreamt of has been recognized and you're a completely changed personality. And I'm very, very confident that your relationship with the professors, the kind of effort the professors take. Sometimes I'm baffled because, even the school teachers at times fail to take this kind of, the connect and the concern which I've seen Shalini Ma'am, Rajiv sir's team of such wonderful professors. They are into learning and they are into application of learning. So I think that is the beauty. So my last word is, welcome to paradise. Welcome to a place which is going to give you the wings to fly. Your schools are giving you great youths. Now is the time for you to fly. And you will fly here and you will soar high. Thank you and Jai Hind.
जिंदगी एक सफर है सुहाना, यहाँ पर क्या हो किसने जाना.
Hey Vanshika, wait, why are you singing in the middle of the event?
Well, Arushi, don't you think I have a melodious voice?
Oh, I know. Melodies in your voice. Forget it, Vanshika.
Well, I am just unfolding my hidden talents.
I suggest you unfold more.
How?
Wait, let me check. As you all know, our college takes immense pride in recognizing and celebrating the achievements of our deserving students. In keeping with this tradition, Anubuj, one week Fresher Hunt Talent was organized to provide a platform for uncovering the hidden talents of our students through a series of exciting competition and meticulous evaluation. We are delighted to honor Fresher with various titles that celebrate their exceptional abilities and dedication.
Now it's time to announce the first set of titles, and to honor the awardees, I would like to invite our director, Ms. Amrita Bergman, on the stage.
So, Extremely Versatile Student Award is, any guesses? Is being awarded to whom? Any guesses? Oh, it's nice to guess sometimes. Come on. It's being given to Miss Mansi Verma, MA, first year. Please come on.
Congratulations, Nancy, for showcasing outstanding talent in every area and impressing us with your versatility.
Our next award is the Sudha Chandan Award for Best Classical Dancer.
So the Sudha Chandran Award for Best Classical Dance. Any guesses this time? Goes to Miss Yashasvi Jaiswal, PDA first year.
Congratulations, Yashasvi. Your graceful and mesmerizing dance move have left us in amazing.
The Shamak Dava Award for Best Pencil Dancer is honored to
The Shamatama Award for Best Pratibha Yadav, BA first year.
Congratulations, Pratibha, for your visionary artistry. Behind the lens, capturing the movement that speaks volumes beyond words.
The Frida Kahlo Award for Best in Face Painting goes to
Farida Kahlo Award for Best Face Painting goes to Ms. Khushi Yadav, BSc first year.
Congratulations, Khushi. Your own creative and expressive art brings life in every canvas.
the Most Talented Student Award goes to
The Most Talented Student Award goes to Ms. Shabinur, MA first year.
Congratulations, Shabi, for your exceptional talent and all-round excellence.
Thank you, ma'am. You may kindly take your seat. A heartfelt congratulations to all the winners. Your passion, dedication, and exceptional talent have touched us all. Each of you has earned this recognition through your hard work and perseverance, and we are so proud to celebrate your incredible achievements.
The first day at college is a significant milestone. It is a moment when we step into a world of endless possibility, ready to embrace challenges, forge lifelong friendship, and discover our true potential. While the journey ahead may be uncertain, the first day marks the beginning of an adventure that will shape us in ways we can only dream of. So now let's learn it from our pressure to an exclusive audio-visual presentation. If that's the case, you are ready for a treat. I have a beautiful yoga performance that will take our audience on a roller coaster ride of emotion. Presenting before you the arts and rhythm, the yoga dance performance. So give them a huge round of applause as they take you on a journey that will stretch your mind, relax our body, and infuse our day with calm yet energetic vibe.
जगज्जालपालं गगनतलवानं शरच्चन्द्रभानुं
and Shami about their first day experience at Sunbeam Women's College, Varuna.
Good afternoon and Jai Hind to all. After 12 wonderful years at Sunbeam, Leher Tara, standing here today at Sunbeam Women's College, Varuna, feels like moving from one cherished home to another. It is truly an honor and privilege to address you on this special day, the beginning of our exciting journey as freshers in this esteemed institution. As we step into this new chapter of our lives, it is important to take pause and express our immense gratitude to those whose effort have made this transition so seamless, comforting and memorable. Our chairperson, sir, your visionary leadership has ensured that each of your daughter receives not only world-class education, but also the best possible living condition. You've truly made this institution a home away from home, and we are deeply grateful for your care and foresight. Our Vice Chairperson, ma'am, your dedication to creating an environment that promotes growth, comfort, and well-being is truly inspiring. The state-of-the-art hostel facilities reflect your commitment to providing us reflects on your commitment to ensure our happiness and holistic development. Our Director, ma'am, your leadership has created a safe, nurturing, and supportive environment. From cleanliness and security of our living spaces to thoughtful attention to every detail, you've ensured that we can focus on our academic and engage ourselves in extracurricular activities and grow into responsible individuals with ease. Ghanshyam sir, our hostel superintendent, sir, you are a guiding and fatherly figure to all of us. Your presence reassures that we are cared and supported every step of the way. For many of us, being away from home is a daunting experience, yet your facilities and care provided here, we feel a sense of warmth and comfort that makes this transition much smoother. The welcoming atmosphere, attentive staff and friendly environment have made all the differences, helping us to settle in and truly thrive. On behalf of all the freshers, I extend our sincere gratitude to all of you, making our stay here pleasant and reassuring. We are truly fortunate to be the part of an institution that values us not only as students, but also as individuals deserving respect and care. We promise to seize the opportunities before us, uphold the values instilled in us, and contribute positively to this community. With immense gratitude and excitement, we look forward to this new journey and make you all feel proud.
Good afternoon, I'm Jai to all. So to be honest, Sunbeam Women's College, Varuna was not my first choice. Initially, good afternoon and Jai to all. So to be honest, Sunbeam Women's College, Varuna was not my first choice. Initially, I was heavily influenced by my friends who questioned why I would choose Sunbeam when BHU was an option. So like many others, I prepared for CUET and went through 3 rounds of selection. After the 3rd round, I felt it was time to let go of hope and enroll in Sunbeam, the college my father had always wanted me to join. And so, my journey at Sunbeam began. A week after joining, the results of 4th selection round were announced, and I was offered a seat at BHU's main campus. I still vividly remember my mother asking if I wanted to switch colleges, and my answer, it was a big no. I realized that Sunbeam was more than just a college. It's a place of happiness where I could clearly see myself developing a variety of skills. This college provides much more than quality education. It focuses on building personality and confidence. The workshops, regular sessions, and most importantly, the student-centric activities and interactions have been an incredible source of learning for me. One of the biggest takeaways from my experience so far is the emphasis on growth beyond academics, which Sunbeam fosters at every step. The experienced professors are always there as backbones, offering support and individual attention. I was especially impressed by the internship and placement records, which are truly remarkable. I'm confident that the next 3 years will transform me into a more confident and capable woman. Thank you to the board members for providing us with such a clean and vibrant environment, along with the state-of-the-art infrastructure and facilities. Thank you.
Thank you, Vidhi and Shami. We are honored to have today with us an exceptional alumna who has made significant strides in her career. Please join me in welcoming Advocate Saltanat Iqbal, Advocate at the Delhi High Court from the Foundation Batch 2016-19.
As the name sunbeam, the rays of the light, the rays of the sunlight. So basically, as sunlight lightens up the globe, sunbeam lightens up their students. Wherever we go, we shine. We the sunbeamian, we always shine. Whenever it comes to whether you are going in any career opportunities, you have to be smart. You have to be acquired with the multitasking facilities. But you know what? Sunbeam brushes you up to be a multitasking person. In my profession, which is informally also known as Old Boys Club, where women's recognition is very less. But you know what? I gained lots of confidence when I was studying a BCom from Sunbeam. So while practicing in the High Court of our country, Delhi High Court, there I used to go to appear before the judges, ADGs. There you have to be so much confident, as well as you have to be very clear, because you know they are the very reputed people of our country. So the Sunbeam makes you so much confidence, and they will help you to gain wherever you go in all the fields, and they will make you smart. So I can recall one of the speech of Director Ma'am, as when it was my orientation. Ma'am told me to be smart. If you want to go in wherever you want to go, it doesn't matter. You want to be a housewife, it doesn't matter. Be a smart housewife. So that Sunbeam makes you smart and multitasking person that I can see in myself. So thank you, Sunbeam. Thank you so much, the board of directors, for polishing me, because you know diamond needs a polishing. So they create diamonds. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Mr. Saltanat, for being here and inspiring our new batch.
Hey Surbi, what are you doing?
I'm trying to fly.
Fly? You are no less than 60 kgs and you are trying to fly with a pace of 600 grams?
Vaishnavi, not 60 kg, 48 kg, you know, I'm so slim and maintained.
But why are you trying to fly?
Well, it's not me who will fly today. It's our freshers' dream which will fly today. And to give wings to their dream, we once again welcome you all to Armand 2024!
So the award goes to Miss Kavya Singh from BA First Sem.
Congratulations, Kavya. Your voice gracefully evokes the richness of tradition with every note.
The Amrita Share Gill Award for Best in Artist Painting is awarded to
So So the award goes to Miss Astha Vishwakarma from BCom First Sem.
Congratulations, Astha, for bringing art to life with your stunning work.
The Arundhati Roy Award for Best Creative Writing in English is awarded to
The Arundhati Roy Award for Best Creative Writing in English goes to Miss Shrishti Yadav of PBA First Sem.
Congratulations, Srishti, on winning the Arundhati Roy Award. Your words inspire us and captivate us all.
The Manu Bhandari Award. Next we have the Manu Bhandari Award for Best in Creative Writing in Hindi is awarded to
Manu Bhandari Award for Best in Creative Writing Hindi goes to Miss Shreya Upadhyay of BCom First Sem.
Well deserved, Shreya, your writing honors the essence of Manu Bhandari.
The Maritime Award for Best Sportsperson is awarded to
So the award goes to Miss Anushka Tripathi from BCom First Sem.
Congratulations, Anushka, for your dedication and excellence in sports.
The Falguni Nair Award for Best in Entrepreneurial Aptitude is honored to
This award goes to Miss Ridhima Singh of PBA First Sem.
Kudos is the mark for your visionary leadership and entrepreneurial spirit.
The Dakshina Award for Best in Paint Text goes to
The award goes to Miss Krishti from BBA First Sem.
Congratulations, Srishti, for your outstanding mastery in paint text. Ladies and gentlemen, we have performed an international dance festival organized by Department of Culture Government, held in Madras International Cooperation and Convention Center, Varanasi.
We request Principal Sir, Hostel Superintendent Sir, to come forward for the announcement of these prestigious awards.
Can we have Shishma? Congratulations to Lieutenant the Naval Forces of the 18th Birthday.
Mahadevi Verma Award goes to Miss Stuti Pandey, BA First Grade.
Congratulations, Stuti.
The Madhu Lampe Award for Best Non-Thermal Cooking goes to
Miss Naveri Kapoor, BBA First Semester.
Congratulations, Naveri. Congratulations, Naveri, on winning the Mahadevi Verma Award. Your voice is truly shining.
the Madhu Lampe Award for Best Non-Thermal Cooking goes to
The Krishna Swaraj Award for Articulate Speaker in Hindi is awarded to
And the award goes to Kushi Singh, BFSC.
Congratulations, Kushi. Your eloquence and impactful words truly shine.
We even have our alumna Soumya Singh. Soumya is currently working as a tax consultant in Deloitte. And with Soumya, please share your views with us.
Hello, good afternoon and Jai Hind everyone. Good afternoon everybody. How's the Josh? Hi. How's the Josh? You did not have your breakfast or anything like that? Again, how's the Josh? Perfect, perfect. Good afternoon ma'am, good afternoon sir. So, we are the founder batch and it is a privilege for us to be here and standing everything is same for us. When we entered to the gate and everything feels same, we met our professors also. And when we joined, I think we are a little bit more lucky than you guys because we had many opportunities to learn. So, for example, if you have to go to debate, we are there for debate. If we have to go to dance, we are there for dance also. So, it's like we have tons of opportunity to learn and to grow and to practice. So, as Sanvi, I think somebody said why something like that, but I would say when you join Sanvi, you should have only one thing in your mind, like what? What is my goal? Where I want to be after 5 years, 10 years, or whatsoever. Okay, you should have only that one question in your mind. Apart from that, Sanvi will take care of that. You just need to say that this is my goal. It shouldn't be the case. It's not only related to you want to become like that, or what, even if you want to become a great actor, dancer, whatever, you just have to say your goal here. I'm telling you, you won't even feel where your goals will turn into reality. That is the fact was. And what I learned from being here, when we joined, we are the only batch and we are scared of doing things at first, okay? But everybody, our professors and our board members, they taught me, don't get scared of everything, okay? Nobody is here to judge you whether you are doing right or wrong. You are doing that is the only perfect way, okay? So that is the only thing that we started doing, and at that point we are keep doing, that makes us the best of us. So even wherever I am going, I'm working in a corporate, communication is the most important thing there, right? Not even, I'm saying most, it means it's beyond. Even if you're sick now, tomorrow you're sick now, you have to tell that you're sick. Okay, so just try to understand how professionally you have to tell to everybody, right? So I think I'm really thankful. I can't even say in my words that I was a part of Sunbeam and get to learn many things. Thank you so much, Sunbeam, and thank you so much all the professors. Thank you so much for calling us, and girls, all the very best. Okay, don't hold yourself or don't pull yourself back by participating or anything like that. You never know where you're gonna reach, so don't ever afraid of. Nobody's gonna judge you. Okay, this is your time. You have to show it here. Okay, all the very best. Thank you.
Thank you for sharing your beautiful memories with us. So, Vaishnavi, have you tried Western dance moves? Well, let's just say my moves are so unique that they haven't been discovered yet.
The rare freestyle category. Maybe you should join the performance.
I think the audience deserves a real treat today and not my experimental dancing.
Fair enough, but no worries because the next performance is going to blow everyone away.
So let's stop talking and start clapping. Get ready for some
lady of the evening, lady of the day? Any guesses? Yashashvi Singh, BBA first semester.
तो भैया जाइए जाइए
A big congratulations to Yashashvi for standing out and owing us Sunday today. You truly are the lady of the day.
I even request Mr. Secretary to please join us here to complete the entire democratic evening. And the crown for Miss Precious goes to
Any guesses?
Can we hear it louder?
This heartbeat is a little very serious kind of a thing because it reminds us of an ICU or something. So, this freshers 2024, and this is the 8th fresher, if I'm correct me if I'm wrong, because 8 years of Sandeep College for Women's College. And Miss Freshers 2024 is none other than Miss Shami Sharma BA Bangladesh.
Let's give a huge round of applause as she takes the stage to claim her well-deserved crown.
Beyond this victory, Shami is a shining star, having raised the TEDx stage to share impactful ideas, her exceptional talent and extraordinary efforts make her a true inspiration. Congratulations, Shami. We are so proud of you.
Shami's dedication and hard work
Good evening, everyone. I was so very getting tempted to be with these girls. Thanks for inviting me to dance. I love it. And this is what I want to share with each one of you. I know all of you becoming older. You're becoming wiser. But keep that child alive in your heart. मस्ती में कमी नहीं होनी चाहिए. Knowledge to wisdom, yes. All of us growing older is a natural process. But then if you have that zest to do something new, to learn something new, to try out something new, you will forever remain young. And that should be your dream. Life should not be stagnant. It should be moving. And this is what we try to do here at your college. Every day there is something happening, you must have seen. Things would have been very, very easy for us. We would have taken our Kashi Vidyapeeth facility, BCom, PCA, BBA, whatever. And only those courses we could have focused on. But it would have been so very boring. Trust me. What do you say, girls? Now these fresher parties and the competitions, your travel, your expeditions, your social service, all these things. I know your professors have to work hard, but it's a win-win situation. When we spend time with you, when we teach you, when professors teach you, try out something new, even they learn in that process. So the idea behind is, all of us, we grow when we do. So try out all the new things Sunbeam College is offering you. It is criminal not to try it out. I'm so happy some of you, this is the first time people are coming on the stage, dancing. But by the time you pass out from this college, you should be able to speak on the mic with confidence. Because as one of your students said, it's all about how you communicate your thoughts. A, work on your thoughts. You should have an opinion about everything around you. And then second step is how to articulate that opinion without how to even, you can disagree. But how to even disagree without offending anyone, and how to be a good listener is also an art. So maturity means you should have good listening skills, and maturity means you should be with confidence being able to pass on your message to others. And when you will talk sense, when you will know laws, when you will be confident about what you have done in school and college, the world will listen to you. It's your confidence that speaks. So dear girls, this opportunity you should not miss, and especially being in a women's college is always a privilege. There is no one, you are all so comfortable. Imagine if there were boys, then what would have happened? You would have been very restricted about what you are wearing, what you are talking, how you are dancing on the stage. Here, you are with us. And I love that with us, one of yours. I want to thank all the teachers also, all the professors also, for every day. That one child said, "Ki tarash rahe like a diamond." Thank you so much. I can see the efforts you are putting in. Rajiv sir, Shalini ma'am, and Amrita ma'am. So many ideas she gives, and that is why your college is becoming so beautiful. And I'm so, so very proud of all of you. So keep learning, keep growing. God bless you all. And a very, very warm welcome to all the freshers.
Well said, ma'am. First of all, I just want to welcome Galina, and they are here today, and they are the founder batch also, 2016, 17, 18, something like that. And in those days, the college had just started, and I was asking Amrita ma'am how many years now since the college, both of us, Bharti ma'am forgot, because when you work, you really don't know how time passes you, and for us, it's just like a roller coaster ride. And when we first started thinking of the hostel, even that instant looks like yesterday. When we were walking around and we thought, let's have a hostel here. And then we just walked around and we said, just have a college here. And how difficult, how every day, how the infrastructure came up and how the girls came out and how the philosophy of Sandeep of creating all-rounded personalities, like what you said just now, is very true. Your dreams, your learning, this is the diamond factory, like you said. And you can call the diamond merchants here, on which Rajiv sir, your professor, Shali ma'am, Amrita ma'am, they are the ones who are the diamond Hira tarashne wale, you can say. And Ghanshyam sir, all of you. Because every minute in a learning place counts. Mark my words. The word to take back today is that 24 hours has minutes and seconds. Count them. I am the one person I just want to be so active, doing 24 things in 24 hours. If I had to look at the Prime Minister, Modi ji, and what I admire about him most is this person is in Surat one day, the other day in Leh, and the second day is flying off to a foreign country. How much hard work goes into that? Where you are sleeping, what you are eating, it doesn't matter. You are just working and time rushes past when you work hard better. And you know what? As girls, ladies, you have double responsibility. Because when you go into your life, you have to work with the people around you. You have to change their opinions. You are modern, you are sophisticated, you are elegant, you are soft-spoken, you are talented, you are musical, you are good dancers, you are good learners, and you are brave. So when I talk about these things, and long time back, when we first started the colleges, everybody used to joke and tell me that you never had daughters, but now you have 1,000 daughters. So I'll update that figure. It's going to be almost 1,800 daughters now in both the colleges, and plus 2 granddaughters which I have at home. So then that comes into, and then if you start counting the alumni sitting here, and how many daughters have gone and gone, with the philosophy of Sunbeam, they have travelled. With the music of Sunbeam, they have travelled. With the elegance of Sunbeam, they have gone. With the learning of being an all-rounder. Today we had a workshop in which the most important thing to take back home was that the what is there everywhere. The contents are there. Artificial intelligence can give you everything, all kind of knowledge. By blinking your eyelids, you can get the internet to tell you everything. Whether you want a good medicine, internet can tell you. Whether you want a good legal advice, the net can tell you. But what do you have to learn? You have to learn how to do it. How to use artificial intelligence. How to use the technology which is coming up. In the next 10 years, you will be surprised by the kind of things which are going to happen. Your refrigerator is going to talk to you. Your car is going to say hello to you. And when you come back home, your food is going to ask you whether you are in a good mood or not. You see, you have to know how to handle technology. You have to be more human. You have to love more people. And that's why I say, have a pet at home. Keep a dog or a parrot and love that pet. Love human beings also. and also do one more thing, is to be more and more human, humanitarian. Empathy, love, that is what you all have to do. And congratulations to each one of you, the new ladies who have joined, 300 of them. It's a red carpet welcome for you to the Sunbeam family. You are now with the blood group Sunbeam. Keep it running in your blood and keep coming back to us. And don't forget the password to this blood group and this family. What is the password? Jai Hind. So whenever you see us anywhere, Jai Hind. Thank you so much.
So, this will not be completed without a song, melodious song by them. Let's welcome Sir and the fresh batch with a melodious song by Chairperson Sir.
Give the volume, please. मांगे और शायद और कोई आसमां होगा, आसमां के मांगे और शायद और कोई आसमां होगा, बादलों के पर्वतों पर कोई बारिश का मकान होगा। इधर थोड़ा साउंड बढ़ा दो, बैकग्राउंड म्यूजिक बना दो। ओके, मांगे बारिश आए और कोई आसमां होगा। Come on everybody, those who know the song, please sing. आसमां के बारिश आए और कोई आसमां होगा, बादलों के पर्वतों पे कोई बारिश का मकान होगा। ये सब रिपीट हो रहा है। मैं हवा के परों पे कहाँ जा रहा हूँ, I sing it without music. मैं हवा के परों पे कहाँ जा रहा हूँ, कभी उड़ता हुआ कभी उड़ता हुआ मेरा रास्ता चला हो